Good morning, everyone. So I'm going to vlog my day today. I don't know what I'm doing or yeah, but we're just gonna vlog and see how this goes. Wow. I almost burned it. Oh my goodness. It is now 4:30-ish. I cleaned the house. That's what I've been doing. I just cleaned, showered, got changed, and now we're here. I'm about to do a little bit of makeup because I'm going to the mall with my friend Brianna, and yeah. So this is my makeup, and I made a smoothie. I put it in this like Wawa cup because that's all I had. But now we're just waiting for Brianna.
Today's vlog, we're going to the mall.
Yeah! Brianna doesn't have data? Yeah.
Whichever way you want to say
So
it.
we're driving in silence.
It's not entirely true.
Oh! Where did that come from?
My ass.
But
it's your outfit.
okay, so I'm wearing this top from H&M. I have it in olive green.
Okay.
This is actually my mom.
Right.
Yeah, so we copied each other. My mom bought it for her, but I just kind of put it in my closet and she forgot.
Right,
so it's
right.
mine.
I love doing that to my
Yes.
mommy.
So this is from Target, and I love it because it's so long. And my new shoes, I got cute little ballerina shoes from Shoe
Let's
Shop.
see them. Come on, put your leg up.
Brianna, my leg. Brianna, you're gonna crash.
I'll be
My
fine.
leg, my leg.
Ah!
Daddy's little girl. Daddy made a soldier out of me. Daddy held my hand. Daddy liked his whiskey with his tea. In his head held high, he told me not to cry. Oh, and it said shoot. Oh, and it said shoot.
Do you guys see that? Oh my god. Brianna's my body goals. Brianna doesn't know how to put gas.
No. Listen, I'm from Jersey. We don't do all of that.
Aventura.
Mom.
Aventura.
Mom.
Brianna.
Gosh, Kiara.
Take 3. Aventura. That was really good.
Thank you.
Sister. Brianna. Can I get a kiss? Can you make it look?
I was gonna sing that. Woo, child.
The ghetto.
Honey, we in bougie town right here. This is where you go if you want that. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Oh my god, this vlogging in public thing is so weird.
We just got to the mall, as you can tell by Brianna's little vlog. We're going to Urban right now.
Yeah.
I can't afford it. We're just, where are we going?
We like to window shop, so.
We went shopping, just kidding. We bought one thing, same exact thing. We bought our slides. We've been wanting these for so long.
And they're just little basic junkless, but like,
they're so cute.
I love
them. Now we're in this plaza. We don't know if we want to eat Chipotle.
I think I want Payway.
Payway? Okay,
You
maybe
just kinda
Payway.
lured me into it.
And then maybe Menchie's. Guys, I'm sorry I forgot to record my food. It has orange chicken with
Not
some bread.
anymore.
Well, broccoli, carrots. I had a salad, but it had a lot of dressing, so.
She knows she's heard before.
photo shoot. I am obsessed with my eyeshadow. If you guys want to see some pictures, I'll have it down below in my Instagram, so make sure you go check that out. But I know a lot of you have been waiting for this, and that is the winner of my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So the winner to my giveaway is Faith Montano on Instagram. Congratulations. Make sure you respond to my DM. But everyone else, don't worry, there's gonna be many more giveaways in the future. We're already at 12,000 subscribers, and that is crazy. So thank you guys so much. But yeah, that's it for today's vlog. Actually, for this whole video, because I forgot to end the other 2 days. But I hope you guys enjoyed my little 3-day vlog. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.